Hello guys. Today I'm going to tell you guys a little story. This goes back almost 3 years ago when I was in university still. I don't know if this is when Fab Fit Fun first started or they started doing influencing advertisements, but I was getting spammed with Fab Fit Fun ads from like Bachelor people and people who were on Big Brother, who I all follow. As a student, I really wanted this, but I was like, no, I can't. I want it, but I don't necessarily need it. Okay, so Chanel needed a little attention. Anyways, getting back to things, I was in my third year of university, and yeah, I just couldn't justify buying a Fab Fit Fun box when I really didn't need it. So 3 years later, here I am, I have a job now, and I decided it was finally time to try the Fab Fit Fun box out for myself. So, without further ado, I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you guys to show you what I got in it. And if you guys are wondering, this is Chanel, my dog, and she does not miss a beat. Do you, Chanel? No, you don't. No, you don't. So, let's get into it. Disclaimer, I have already opened this and checked out what's inside. I've used 2 of the products because it arrived a month ago and I just couldn't wait for a few of them. So, everything else I have not used. So, let's go. Okay, you guys ready? And Chanel's giving me the evil eye over there because I put her down. Let's just grab the biggest item in the box, which is this little vase, or should I say vase. So this is one of the items I actually have already used and I put back in the box to give you guys a little, you know, like little show. Here's the show. It is really cute. It is pink and white ceramic. And my parents just renovated their house, and I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but like the whole house is really blush pink and it has lots of white. The kitchen's all white now. So for my birthday, I got some flowers. So that's what I used this for. Obviously flowers. So anyways, I thought this was really cute, and it is valued at $28. 10 out of 10, I like the first product. Okay, and the next item that I'm going to show you guys is a moisturizer. So it is by Kate Somerville. Can you guys see it? And it is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. It says, condition and restore. So this is great. I have super dry skin, especially in the summer months. This is valued at $65. 350 divided by 4 is close to around $80 a box, I believe. Okay, I want to let you guys know why I said 300 divided by 4. That's because I get 4 boxes a year when I signed up for the yearly subscription, which cost me $350. So roughly I'm saying that each of these boxes cost me around $90, not $80. And yes, I'm editing in my car. Just alone, this cream is almost valued at the price of the box. So do I feel guilty spending $350? Yes, but then you get things like this. And I just love it because they're full sized, and this is I would never buy a $65 cream. But who knows, maybe I'm probably gonna love it, obviously. This is what it looks like outside of the package. Okay, and the next item in the box is this Yumi Kim wireless charging pad. This is exciting because everyone can use a new charger. Nice floral design. Oh, it's gonna go with all my mom's decor again. It matches the little vase. Cord to plug it in. So you just like rest your phone on top and then it's supposed to charge it. It's valued at $35. Again, something I'm definitely gonna use. 10 out of 10 in my opinion. Okay, so the next item I am going to show you guys is this Winky Lux Universal Eyebrow Pencil. So there it is. It has cute purple packaging and we love a little gold. Check it out. I don't currently do anything to my eyebrows, but I used to. I used to just use a brow pencil. Oh, I like the tip of it. It's like angled. Should I do a swatch? Okay, so I kind of had to press kind of hard to get it out, but I think that's good considering like when you're up in your brows, like you don't want it to look really heavy and you want it to look more natural. At least that's what I like. So there it is. You can't really see it. Anyways, it says that this is valued at $16. Again, something I'm gonna use. The next item I'm going to show you is the other item I used already. That is the Makeup Drop Hybrid Sponge. This is basically one of those like beauty blenders that has a silicone side. So I thought that was really cool. And I really needed a new beauty blender. This worked out quite well for me. And yes, I put it back in the package to give you guys the show. Of course, that's what you're here for, the unboxing. It's this blue color. It's like my favorite. And it's kind of like dirty looking, so yep. There it is, there's the silicone side. And so since I've already used this product, I can tell you guys I really like it. And this is my first time using like one of these silicone things, but it's supposed to use less makeup so the sponge doesn't like absorb it. Again, 10 out of 10, something I'm already using, and it says it's valued at $20. Next, we have the Silk Satin Pillow Sleeve. It says that this is valued at $29.50. Let's just open it up here. Ooh, this feels so nice. It says that it's supposed to help leave your skin feeling hydrated and your hair hydrated, and it's supposed to help with anti-aging. So I just noticed that it has like the cottony background, so that's smart, so it's not like slipping all over your bed when you're trying to get your beauty rest. Again, 10 out of 10 at this point. I mean, I like it. It's like silver, it's cute. So I'm excited to put this on my pillow and try it tonight. Okay, we only have 2 items left. I know it's sad, we're getting to the end, but it's okay. This is the Spongeolé hand cream. It smells really good. Let's try this baby out. I can always use hand cream. I love keeping hand cream in all locations, like my desk, my purse, my room. Oh, that smells really good actually. It says it's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. Yeah, like hand cream, sure, we'll take it. It says it's valued at $18. So yeah, on to the next thing. I feel like I always do this. I save like my most awaited product for last, like my favorite one that I'm most excited for. And sometimes, yeah, usually it is the most expensive one. So I was really shocked that this was in this box, but here it is. What do you guys think? It's a Michael Kors passport wallet. Here's the inside. There's the outside. I love the little print. This sleek wallet keeps your passport, credit cards, and boarding pass super organized. This is valued at $78. Since I'm not doing much traveling, I'm definitely gonna just use this as a wallet because it has like everything you need, except for like a little change part, but like who really uses change anymore? Michael Kors, baby. We don't hate it. We love to see stuff like this. We love it. Me and my new wallet. Okay, and that's it. So everyone, if you've made it this far, congratulations. That's the end of my video. Now, if you did like it, feel free to subscribe, but only if you want to. And if you enjoyed yourself, give this... Seriously, hope you guys enjoyed this. I sincerely loved it. I can't wait to use all my new stuff. And I'll show you guys my fall one, which is coming soon.